To everyone. In the last video, we have removed the element 98 from our heap. So you can write 98 here. Actually, in this video, we are just going to discuss about us how to sort the numbers using heap. Okay. So in the previous element itself, we have removed the element 98. So you can write it here. The next process is to remove the element 97. So okay, so if I wish to remove the element 97 from my tree, means I have to replace it with the last element. Here the last element is 36. So here I have to replace 97 by 36. You can write the removed element here. Okay, and then check it here. So now the structure is not at all is in the form of a max heap. So I should reheap it. Okay. So what I'm just going to do it, as I have mentioned earlier, I'm just going to trace the maximum of these two values. 95 is the maximum. So I'm just going to replace here. So 95 will come here and 36 which will appear here. Even if I'm checking here, 36 is less than 66 and 95. So I should check for the maximum element. 95 is the maximum element. So I have to write maximum element here and 36 will appear here. Swapping operations I'm just doing. Okay. So now if you are looking into this tree structure, it obeys the rule of max heap. Okay. So next, after reshaping these things, next I am going to remove the next one element 95. If I wish to remove the element 95, means it must be replaced by the last element. Here the last element is 36, so I can write it here and I can remove this node. Okay, again check for the condition. 36 is less than its children's, so I can repeat the process swapping operations, and since 95 is the maximum number, I can write 95 here and I can write 36 here. Okay, and I am checking for the condition 36 is less than 66. Actually I must have the maximum value here. So again I am going to do the swapping operations. So 66 which will come here and 36 which will appear here. Now if you are looking into this tree structure, it obeys the rules of max heap. So next what I am just going to do it, again I am going to remove the node 95. Okay, so if I am going to remove the 95, it must be replaced by the last value. So here the last value is 36. So it will be removed. Again checks for the condition. 36, it's not at all greater than its children. So which one value is the maximum value? 88. So I have to do the swapping operations here in order to bring the max heap. So I have to write like this one. Again I am checking for the conditions. 36 is less than its children's. For example, 36 is less than 70 and 55. So which one is the maximum number here? 70. So I have to replace 70 by 36 and 36 which will be replaced by 70. So I am just doing the swapping operations. Now if you are checking the condition, it obeys the rules of max heap. After this stage, I am going to remove this element 88. Okay, if I am going to remove the 88, it must be filled with the last element. Last element is 55, so put 55 here and remove this node. Now check for the condition 55 is less than 66 and 70. So we have to trace the max of 70 and 66. The maximum value is 70. So 70 and 55 are swapped. So 70 which will appear here, and we can write 55 here. Okay, now it obeys the rules of max heap. Next, what I am just going to do it again, I am going to remove the value which is present in the root node. So 70 which will be replaced by the last node 36. Okay, so I can write 36 here. Okay, so if I'm checking, if I'm writing here 36 is minimum less than 55 and 66, so it must be replaced by 66. Actually we are doing the swapping operations, right? So it will be replaced like this one. So now it obeys the max conditions for the max heap. Next, I'm just going to remove the element 66 again. If I'm going to remove it with the 66 means definitely it must be replaced by the last element, so it's 36. Okay, and if you are checking the condition 36 is greater than its children 55, so we are going to do the swapping operations. So 55 which will appear here and 36 which will appear here, and I'm going to remove the node 55 means 55 which will be replaced by its last node, it's 36. Okay, so there is no other node, so simply we can write it here. Okay, so if you are looking into the elements that we have removed from our list, it's 98, 97, 95, 95, 88, 70, 66, 55 and 36. If you are looking into this list, it's the ordered list. We got the descending order, right? Since we have sorted the elements of the max heap, we are getting the list of numbers in descending order. If you are sorting it by using the min heap means, definitely you will get the sorted list in terms of ascending order. Okay, so this is the methodology by which you can sort the elements using heap sorting. This methodology is called as heap sorting. It's a very easiest methodology. In case if you are having any doubt, kindly post your queries. Thank you.